Hello, I'm in a 2013 Chrysler Town Country, and today I'm going to show you how you connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then we're going to have to go through the voice commands. So that said, I'll say a little before I start that. There's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first before you can pair a new one. But other than that, yeah, we're just going to be walking through the voice prompts. So you can start for either here or with this one, but we'll do the phone.
Uconnect phone, ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency, towing assistance, SMS incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Pair a device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
0000.
PIN code 0000. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Clay's phone.
Adding.
Clay's phone.
Is this correct?
Yes. So make sure
Assign a
Bluetooth's
priority
on.
level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1. Clay's phone.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
So we're in the new pairing, which makes sure your Bluetooth is on and that you're in your pairing mode with your scan activated. Sometimes this might take a few minutes for the car to pop up, but we should see it here in just a few minutes. And if not, sometimes you have to restart your phone and try a few times with the car. But Uconnect popped up. Now we'll type in that PIN that you made up earlier, which I did 4 zeros just to make it easy.
Pairing complete.
Alright, so now we should be connected, so now you can take phone calls, things like that through the car. And then sometimes you can play music and things like that as well, so you'd make sure your volume's on for one, and that you're playing music from your phone device. And then if you're having issues with that, try clicking through your audio settings. If you have like an aux button, you could try that, or your media button. So media and aux, a lot of times you'll see your Bluetooth pop up here, which it is. That's it. And then if it's a newer model, you might be able to sync maps and things as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.